Good.
Hello, you. Rah.
Can you get Lady out?
Yes,
Where are you? Where are
What
you?
are you doing?
Charlotte. Boo! Zip it up, Matt.
Wait a minute.
Can two people sleep in there?
Yeah, two people could.
Rah!
Two people could fit. I've got a little hanger for my torch.
Boo! Zip it up, Matt, and see what she does.
Zip it up. Zip it up. We're going camping. We're going to have sleeps in here.
Do you have a window?
This is a nice tent. What?
Is there a window?
There's ventilation, but no windows.
Be hot.
Not really.
Charlotte, what are you doing?
I can always just open a hole.
Where are you?
Where's your mummy?
Rah! I can see you.